Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Mayur Gupta, Chief Marketing Officer at Kraken. Mayur, it's great to see you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Glad to be here.
You got it. And Kraken just celebrated its 11-year anniversary last week. Certainly a long time, an OG in the crypto space. Tell us more about that and what's happening at Kraken right now.
Yeah, it's been quite fascinating and exciting to be a part of a mission like Kraken and seeing how far we've come in these 11 years. And our mission has always been to drive the global adoption of crypto, Jill, to bring financial and economic freedom, including a very conscious effort to solve real life needs and impacting people's lives. And we made huge strides. We are now 3,000 plus Krakenites worldwide with roughly 9.5 million clients and counting. We have reached a quadrillion in volume, which just showcases how active and robust the crypto markets really are, and also the role that we play in it. So very exciting.
And we've seen a lot of extreme crypto volatility this year. Let's look at Bitcoin, for example, hitting a 1.5-year low of 17,600 in June, with a slight uptick in the recent weeks, now hovering around 20,000. How are you approaching this from Kraken's perspective?
Yeah, great question, Jill. We discussed that a lot, especially as we continue to bring new leaders into Kraken and grow even during these times. See, we've been around for 11 years and we've successfully weathered through many bear market runs. This isn't the first one for us. And we also know this won't be the last one for the industry. In fact, we use the bear times to introspect, to build on new products and optimize our existing experiences, improve our internal operating rhythms so that we are better prepared, going into the next bull run, which is also inevitable. So from us, we remain focused on our growth. We are providing our clients the best and most premium and secure product experiences.
Any upcoming services or products from Kraken that we can expect to hear about in the near future?
Yes, always. We are constantly evolving and expanding our product portfolio, identifying new areas of value to both our existing clients, some of whom have been in the space for very long, but also, very focused on future growth audiences who are just entering crypto. So that's why we continue to also bring top talent from across the industry. So I know we've spoken to you before about NFTs. We recently announced our new NFT marketplace, and we strongly believe NFTs have the power to revolutionize so many categories. And right now, the immediate focus is more on the content creators and removing a lot of friction from within that ecosystem, whether that's music or traditional art, that puts the creators right at the center of that ecosystem all over again. And for this reason, our NFT marketplace will ensure that all content creators, they are rewarded with a fair compensation from their mints and releases. And if they're using the Kraken marketplace to custody their NFTs, there is no gas fees, which is also a huge value add. Security has been a big concern for the industry, and it has been a central pillar for Kraken. So we have a whole team dedicated to security, our Kraken Security Labs, which is why we have extended the assets covered by our proof of reserve audits and providing clients with even more peace of mind that assets are safe and secure on the Kraken platform. And lastly, I'm very excited about all the innovation that is in the pipeline around the P2P space, focusing more on the consumers. And I'm sure we'll talk more about that in the coming months.
And what should we expect to see from Kraken in the next 5, even 11 years, right? And how do you, as the Chief Marketing Officer at Kraken, as a brand, how do you see that evolving in the near term as well?
Yeah, it's always hard and almost impossible to predict the future, but directionally, you can imagine what it could be just looking at the last 5 years, let alone the last 11. So we absolutely expect tremendous growth and global adoption of crypto over the next 11 years, with crypto becoming mainstream and a core part of our lives. And I remember post the internet evolution and the e-com boom, mobile, direct-to-consumer, online shopping, and even digital used to be a thing. And now it's a core part of our DNA. And we don't even think about those things. And we feel that crypto will go through a very similar adoption curve. And in that journey, though, there is no question that there will be some ideas that will fail, some ideas will succeed. There'll be a lot of consolidation, but at the end, I think it'll be good from a consumer standpoint. It'll add incremental value. And as Kraken, we are committed to stay at the forefront of that exciting space with the growing array of our products and services, and building a brand that is trusted and loved, a brand that is not only becomes part of the culture, but also plays its role in shaping it.
All right, Mayur, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.